Hey, what's up, you guys? So, today I am going to walk you through the steps you can do if you cannot search on TikTok. So, let's have it. So, let's go ahead and open TikTok. Now, here, if you tap on the search icon on the upper right corner, you can search for any content that you want. Now, for this one, let's try and search for PHEV or PHEV, and it is going to show us videos of vehicles that are using the PHEV technology. Now, if you are in a situation where your search function is not working, there are a few things you can follow. So first is you can go to settings and log out from your account. And then you can log back in. Another thing that you can do is you can close all your apps and launch TikTok again. If you're still having the issue, you can go to your settings, go to your apps, and scroll down to TikTok. Scroll down to storage and tap on clear cache. Now, this should resolve your issue. So, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.